All right, probability and statistics. We're looking at conditional probabilities today. And I hope you guys are able to do some of your work. I know I'm sure missing you guys. But anyway, we're doing conditional probability. We're on this paper here, and I've already started doing some of this for you guys. But here's the main thing right here. A conditional probability, the probability of A given that B has happened. That's going to be the probability of A and B divided by the probability of B. All right, so you can see I've done some of these, and we're going to go down to this second one here and work on it. It says these are swim lessons we're talking about. Saturday mornings are busy times at the Webster Aquatic Center. Swim lessons ranging from Red Cross Level 2, Fundamental Aquatic Skills, through Red Cross Level 6, Swimming and Skill Proficiency are offered during 2 sessions. Lauren, the program coordinator, is going to randomly select one swimmer to be interviewed for a local television spot on the center and its swim program. What is the probability that the selected swimmer is the following? So she's going to select a swimmer, and then here's the number. That left you out of that. How about this? There you go. Number of people. All right, so starting off first, what's probably this person's from a level 3 class? All right, so you see level 3 class, looks like there's 25 of those. So there's 25 out of how many total? Let's add all these up here. So that's going to be, we got 24 there, we got 25 there, we got 16 here, 2 and 2. That's going to be 69, I think. 2, 4, 9, 25, 29, 2, 3, 4, 5, 69 is right. Okay. All right, part B here. What's the probability that this person chosen is from a level 4 class? All right, level 4, it looks like there's 16 of those out of 69. I don't think these are going to simplify. What's the probability that the person's from a 10 a.m. class? All right, 10 a.m. is this way, so I would add these up. I'm getting a bunch of stuff written on here. So I'd add these up. That's going to be 39 out of 69. So I add all these up. 39 over 69 total. All right, now part D, we're getting into where it's a conditional probability. So what's the probability that a level 2 class, given that it's a 10 a.m. session, which this is going to be the probability that's level 2 given it's 10 a.m. That's what this is saying right here. All right, maybe I should write this on this paper here. Give myself a little workspace here. All right, so it's a level 2 given that it's at 10 a.m. So we want this right here, the probability that it's a level 2 given that it's at 10 a.m. Now I'm going to write a bunch of stuff here to explain what we got going on, but you don't have to do this every time. But this right here is the probability that it's level 2 and 10 a.m. divided by the probability that it's 10 a.m. That's what this conditional probability is. Probability level 2 given that it's at 10 a.m. It's the probability that it's both of these divided by the probability of the second one here. Okay, so if I look at my chart over here, what's the probability that this is level 2 and 10 a.m.? Well, level 2, 10 a.m. right there, there's 12 of those out of 69 we said, divided by the probability that it's a 10 a.m. person. But 10 a.m., we just did that one, didn't we? That was over here. That's 39 over 69. That was part C. So I divide those. All right, when I divide fractions, I do keep, change, flip, which means I'm going to keep this guy. I'm going to change from divide to multiply. I'm going to flip this guy And then these are going to cancel. So it's just 12 over 39. Okay, that's my answer. Which really, all you have to do is, when you have these conditional probabilities, instead of doing all this work right here, you can find just the number of those that are level 2 and 10 a.m., which you look here, level 2, 10 a.m. is 12. And then look for the number of those that are 10 a.m., which that's 39. So that's basically all you have to do for this. You can skip all the doing all this division stuff because these are going to cancel every time. So knowing that, let's answer the rest of these. Okay. It's like right here. The 11 a.m. session given that it's level 6 class. All right, so that's going to be the probability that it's 11 a.m. and it's a level 6 divided by the probability that's level 6. All right, so it's both of these divided by the second one. So now all you got to do is look for the number of those that's 11 a.m. and level 6. 11 a.m. and level 6, there's none of those. So it's just 0. Level 6, there's 2 of those, but anyway, it's 0. Okay, what about this one? All right, this is going to be a level 3 class given that it's 11 a.m. So this is going to be probability it's level 3 and 11 a.m. divided by the probability it's 11 a.m. All right, so I want level 3 and 11 a.m. Level 3, 11 a.m. There's 10 of those over just the 11 a.m. ones. Let's see here, that's 30. And that's 1/3. Okay. All right, so the 10 a.m. session given that it's a level 2 class. So this is going to be probability that it's 10 a.m. and level 2 divided by probability that they're level 2. All right, so since we're doing this division here, they're going to cancel. I just got to find the number of these and the number of those. So 10 a.m. and level 2, 10 a.m. level 2 looks like 12. And then those that are level 2 looks like 24. So it looks like it's 1/2. Okay. And then on this one, it's a level 4 class given that it's at 10 a.m. So this is the probability that they're level 4 and 10 a.m. divided by the probability that it's 10 a.m. And then when I divide these, like we did here a minute ago, this is going to cancel. So all you got to do is find the number that's level 4 and 10 a.m. and then find the number that's 10 a.m. So level 4 and 10 a.m. looks like there's 8 of those. And then how many are there at 10 a.m.? Well, that's 39. We've done this earlier. Okay, on the back of this, let's look at this Yum Brands. These are the world's largest restaurant company. We have the Yum Center in Louisville. It's bringing fast food industry to China, India, and other big countries. Yum Brands, a spinoff of Pepsi Company, has been delivering growth of double-digit earnings in the past year. Suppose that when the CEO of Yum Brands was asked the following questions, how might he answer based on this chart? It's like here, it says, what percent of your locations are in the United States? Okay, in the United States, right there, we got that many total, and this is our total here, so we just divide those. All right, so let's see here. 18471 divided by 31262, and I get 0.59. We'll just do 2 decimals. Okay. All right, and that's how you do these. And now we'll go down to right here. E. What percent of your locations are in the United States given that the store is a Taco Bell? All right, so what's the percent of locations in this? So it's probably that they're in the U.S. given it's Taco Bell. Okay, that's what we have here. What percentage of locations are in the United States, given that it's Taco Bell? So that's going to be then probability of U.S. and Taco Bell divided by the probability that it's Taco Bell. Okay, same thing as the front. It's both of these on top divided by just this one on the bottom. And so now you can just find the number of these and the number of those, like we did on the previous page. So U.S. and Taco Bell, U.S. and Taco Bell looks like 5,030. On the bottom, Taco Bell, total Taco Bell right there, 5223. And then you divide them. All right, 5030 divided by 5223. And that's 0.96. Okay. And that's how you do this. All right. So that's our conditional probability. If you have any questions, you know how to contact me. I'll help you anytime. All right, so hope you're enjoying this time off. I sure miss you guys and hope you guys are successful in completing this packet. If you need any help, though, please contact me.